his team is down by just Villa Caloocan's giving Manila all they can ask for.
Nice pass. Valencia to Manday for 3.
That
Rebound. 3:20 remaining. Valencia, the bounce pass to Laude. He's fouled by Shelo. 2 free throws coming up in 2010. 2009, I believe. To Inigo. Manday will fire a 3. Good. Valencia to Flores. Yes.
Josh Flores has gotten most of his baskets through leak outs.
Irvin on the move. Manday, a 3. No. Manday to Irvin. The one-hander is good.
This game's pace has definitely increased here.
Valencia on the move. Wow, beautiful pass. Bring the goggles out there. Irvin Valencia, rightly so.
First field.
Two-quart sa Pasay Astrodome.
Able to dish coming from Irvin Palencia.
Oh nga, no? Manday with 12 points. He also has 6 rebounds and 5 assists. Sanga Abanag, a 3. Yes.
Basic pin.
Sidestep beauty. Ooh. And the finish. Galing kay Jeremy Cabanag.
Now that's definitely some hang time shown there by the...
Swings it over to Jeremy Cabanag. This step back 3.
Pag mga Ilonggo talaga, mga shooter eh, no?
Hindi naman. Valencia, down low to Enriquez. That ball knocked away, pero...
To get a field goal, but everybody else was able to score 2 points or more. Of course, led by Jeff Manday with a season-high 26 points built on 61% from the outside, 8 out of 13 shooting from the guy from Bacolod.
It looks like Irvin Palencia will dribble out the clock. And that will do it. Caloocan Batangang Kalu tightened their grip on the number 5 spot in the North Division after a 110-92 conquest of the Manila.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa support ni Mirong Along Malapitan, Kong Oka Malapitan, Enting Malapitan, Lixi Malapitan, at sa mga sponsor, Yan Coolers, High Top LPG, Stay Cool Clothing, World Balance, Mandarin Sky, kay Father Well and nasa Jerusalem, Pastor Jerry of GSC Caloocan. And advance happy birthday kay Ma'am Roma, Boss Epay. And also binabati ko yung family ko, mama at papa ko, mga kapatid ko. And sa partner ko na si Kat, anak namin si Maddie. And kayo lagi, and love you.
Maraming